Why does your scanner show the P0610 engine code? What does it mean? P0610 is a diagnostic trouble code for Control Module Vehicle Options Error. This engine code indicates that an internal memory fault detected in the Powertrain Control Module. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Incorrect PCM programming, wiring and connector issues, power supply problems, CAN bus issues, faulty PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It can occur in a variety of vehicles, but it is particularly common in some Ford, Mazda, Jeep, Dodge, and Toyota models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.